What's good, Wealth Builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder self, back again with another video. And I got another funny, money, weird situation to talk about. All right, so you know how we do it. Every Friday, I talk about funny money. You know what I mean? Things that are kind of weird. All right, so check this out. Daymond John, you know Daymond John, right? The shark, you know, very, 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 very popular shark. One of my favorite sharks. Okay, he's the creator and one of the owners and all that stuff of Fubu and all that. You know what I'm saying? He's got a lot of history in business, right? Great businessman. So recently, Daymond John filed a restraining order against Shark Tank business Bubba's Q, only to have it be denied, okay, by, I guess somewhere in California, right? In 2009, former NFL player Al Baker went on Shark Tank and secured a $300,000 investment, right? Okay, so for 30% of his boneless rib company, right? So if you know anything about business, he keeps 30%. I mean, somebody else has 30% and he keeps 70% of the business, right? Potentially. Now, Daymond John was the shark that chose to take a bite out of the good idea at the times, as per Value Entertainment or Valuetainment, okay? Now, the business experienced a 6-digit sale numbers in their infancy, and John kicked profits into overdrive, right? Now, Bubba's Q even secured a multi-million-dollar deal from Carl's Jr. to use their ribs and sauce for a new line of burgers. Now, the company received $16 million in profits since 2009, but the Baker family claims they've only received $659,000 from it. Okay, it's like $15 million left, right? Or basically 4% in total. The missing funding could be attributed to the Baker's decision to transfer their responsibility of producing and packaging Bubba's Q ribs for wholesale to Restraining Foods. Restraining took over the company's finances, packing, process, and promotional side. They also maintained financial control over Bubba's Q and had the ability to view profits. The Baker family claims they were denied access to these numbers and instead ran off with their cash. So, what's the moral of this story, right? What's the lesson to learn in this story? Never give anybody creative control over your business. Never give anybody financial control over your business, okay? Maybe they could pack the food or pack whatever for you, you know what I'm saying? No, but listen, you can't give an outside entity more control over your business than you have, okay? If you give an outside entity more control of the business over than you have, then you are working for them, okay? You're working for them. They're not working for you at this point. They're not assisting you. As you can see, look at that. 16 million and they only made about 700 grand of it? Come on, man. That doesn't make sense, right? That doesn't make sense at all. So the lesson to learn is you gotta keep a big portion of that business in your own hands, especially the finances part. You can't give financial control to an outside vendor. Okay, that's never good. That's never gonna rock. Okay, that's never gonna work. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks for being a wealth builder. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Hope you like this video. Hope you like the different look I'm giving. Hope you enjoy the channel. Subscribe, share. You know what I mean? Check me out on all social entities out there. Also, check out the Wealthbuilderz blog, the Wealthbuilderz Newsletter. I got some new things coming for the Wealth Builders. All right, so with that being said, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, signing off for Funny Money. Daymond John files a restraining order against a business? Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.